Hey, Bellas! It's daylight savings time. It's 3:30 and the sun's not going down. Your girl is hyped on some vitamin D. Ah! We needed the rain, but rain, go away. Thank you. Shea Bella wants to film today, and I'm just going at it because the sun's out, my natural lighting's out, so I can have some good lighting for you fellas, because you know we go all authentic on this channel. It is pretty basic, but I'm trying to bring the old school. I'm just being me, mistakes, bloops, everything all included. If you were just sitting in here with me as like my girlfriend, hey, I wouldn't be saying edit. No, let me rewind this. Let me get this little hair off my face. See, no edit here. There you go. I wouldn't say, hey girl, rewind that. Let me fix that. No, it's just me and you. And I hope you like that. I just want to be real and just be me. Okay, so let me just tap my nose because you know your girl has allergies and I don't want to have a hiccup. Did you see that on the news? There was this newscaster and she's, you know, very serious, you know, world news, and she was reporting, I think, about the debates or whatever, and, you know, she has allergy problems. I understand a girl who suffers major sinus problems. Well, her nose started to drip, and, like, the snot just was, like, hanging, and... Like a faucet. Okay, my co-host, Burley says, you know she's got to be in every video like a faucet, so we wouldn't want that to happen. That's kind of gross. Okay, off that subject, it's springtime, Easter's here, fun colors, cheer, brightness, no more winter, hopefully all those dark days are gone. So our nails, right? We want to have these bright, fun manicures. So I have a list of my top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors for spring for the Bellas that I want to share with you and suggest, you know, some looks for you. Okay, so this is what is in for spring. I did some research on Runway, what's on, what's for spring 2016, what makes me happy, and I decided to go in my own collection. So you shop your collection and find out, you know, some great colors that you can play with for spring. Okay, so a rose gold, right, Bellas? A rose gold can go no wrong. This is one of my favorites. It's Chanel Rose Gold, Golden Sand, number 317. One great thing about this color, I'll show you right here, is that anything has like a glitter base or a kind of metallic base, it stays on so much better. It adheres. So you'll get a longer longevity manicure if you actually put anything with a shimmer or a glitter base. This is just more like a sheen, but I love this color. It's kind of neutral and flush. It goes with everything. It's fresh and clean. Rose gold I wear on my hands with some of my rings. A go-to for spring. Rose gold. Okay, number 2 color. This is a Dior Coral. And this is number 741, Coral. Coral is beautiful on the lips. I love a coral blush, a coral nail on the toe or manicure. It's very fresh. Great for vacation if you're going to be going to Miami, Hawaii, Cabo, anywhere tropical. It's great on olive skin. It pops. And yeah, I think it's kind of timeless. Coral. All right. Yellow. Ooh, I'm not giving you the finger. Sorry, Bellas. No. Yellow. This is a NARS color, and this is called 15 minutes. We got 15 minutes. Isn't it bright? It's fun. I actually like this little combo. If I wanted to have like a little Easter hand, I could just do this. Anyway, it's bright, it's fresh, and it definitely reads spring and Easter. You can use this as an accent color and use maybe on one of the nails or do some designs, but I just thought yellow makes me happy. Yellow. All right, let's go with lavender. This is the Rimmel. Actually, this Lasting Finish Pro Rimmel A+. It's a great nail polish. It stays on really well. I got this actually, baby, for $1 on clearance like last year at CVS. So look in the clearance section when seasons are going to end because you can grab some great finds. It's a great, great, great lavender. Not too harsh, nice and neutral. Okay, and last but not least, we're gonna go with a peach. A nice, warm peach, and we're gonna go with Cha 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 by NARS again. It has some shimmer. This is just one coat, so you can build it. But if you like a nice neutral nail and want some warmth to the skin, you see how it just warms up the nail bed, a nice pretty peachy bronze will go well. Another accent color that I love is a gray, muted pale gray. This is Dior number 306. I love a pale gray. And I also love a cream pink base. This is my Jinsoon, and this is called Duux. Duux. And it's a great matte, chalky pink, pale, fun for spring. All right, Bella, spring is here. I'm so excited. Here's some inspiration for your spring nails. Go out, do them yourself, play with it, have fun, and play with some color since spring is here, okay? All right, I am done. I'm so excited. I have all this sunlight. I wanted to give you guys some videos. I love you all, and come back and see me again, okay? Stay beautiful, Bellas. Bye.